Hey guys, I want to go over our 1.5 inch Ned Craw mold this week. This is a tiny version of our 2.5 inch Ned Craw. Some of you are familiar with. We also did a video on this guy, but that is the 2.5. So the 1.5 Ned Craw is this guy scaled down for micro finesse Ned setups, or you can fish it on a standard jig head. So let me get this guy open and I will show you exactly what I'm talking about. There's a small mold, but it has 8 cavities, and you can see here, I'm gonna hold both halves because on this half, we have the antennas, claws, legs, and the back, or the top half. On the other half, there's no legs or antenna, they're just on the one side with the venting. So just remember that when you're shooting this, if you're doing laminates, you need to remember that this is indeed the back side, or the top side. So let's line this up. We're gonna put our clamps on there. And like we just said, if you're shooting laminates, remember this is the top. We are gonna shoot laminates today, which will be awesome, in a chartreuse and kind of teal, black, blue color. We'll get this guy clamped together and we are going to, my clamps will cooperate here. There we go. We're gonna get 2 half cups of plastisol. So we're gonna go half here, and this is 242 from Bait Plastics, which is a medium blend plastisol, and we're just going with a half cup because this is a small mold, not a lot of volume there, so we don't need a lot of plastisol. So we'll get these in the microwave and then degas them in the degas chamber here, and they'll meet you back here when they're about 370, 380 degrees, and we'll start mixing our colors. All right, we are at 370 and 370 roughly, so let's get to mixing our colors. We will start with our belly color, and we're going to use this chartreuse pigment from Bait Plastics. This is actually chartreuse EX, and we're just going to load this thing up. So we want it super chartreuse. Oh my goodness, that is insane. That is perfect. And then we're going to mix in 2 sizes of turquoise flake. This is a super small 0.008. We're gonna do 1/8 of a teaspoon of that, and then on top of that, we're gonna throw in 1/8 of a teaspoon of this size, which I believe is the 0.04 turquoise. Not sure where my label went. That's what it looks like. So we're gonna throw that in there, and then we're gonna bring that all down into plastisol and mix it in to give it some shimmer. It actually kind of muddies up that turquoise, that chartreuse color a lot. Add a little bit more chartreuse to that just to bring back the brightness a little bit. And there we go. Actually kind of looks green now. That's kind of cool. And then the other color we are going to do is this teal from Bait Plastics. This will be for the back, and we're going to load this up as well and mix that in. Super teal, holy cow, that is crazy. That is gonna be very translucent. That is gonna be very, very opaque, not translucent. Okay, so small glitter is going in first. It's Canadian blue, 0.015. And I actually wanna mix that in there to see kind of what that does here. Yes, that's perfect. A little bit, actually I'm gonna do 1 more, 1/8 teaspoon, so that's a 1/4 teaspoon total. Want to have some blue kind of shimmer, which it definitely has a blue shimmer after that. Next, we're gonna mix in large 0.04 black flake. Just gonna do 1 of these, and then to go along with that, we're gonna stick with black and do 0.008 flake as well. And this is a 1/8 of a teaspoon. Same as before. So we'll get all that in there and mix it down in there. Kind of dirties it up a little bit, but you still have that blue sparkle in there, which looks awesome. So let's check our temperatures. That's about 320 degrees. This is about 316. I'm actually going to bring the temperature of both of these up just a little, because there is very small antenna and appendages on this mold. So I'm gonna throw them in a microwave just for like 10 seconds. And this mold is cold. So I actually want those even hotter, maybe pushing 330, 335 because this is cold. Gotta get my dual laminate block set up here. It's a small mold, so there should not be any crazy denting issues. So here's our back and our belly. We'll draw this up. On here, we're gonna purge on our mold, and that is it. That was not much at all. Put the rest back in here. And just gonna top this up. And that is it. Now we're gonna let this cool off for about a minute. We'll get cleaned up and then we'll demold and see how that laminated. All right, so we got the clamps off of here. Very excited for this. Oh my goodness. Look at that. And then it kind of blends in. And then you have your chartreuse side, which actually looks more like a lime truce, like a lime. But when you compare to the other side, it is super bold. And if you look at that, the texture that we achieved, those two sides of black flake and that blue, just looks fantastic. And you can see the detail here. You have the claws, the tail section, these tiny little legs, and even those tiny antenna, all filled out perfectly. And they are so tiny. I mean, they're like 30 thou diameter or something like that. So really cool to see. And then these things will pull off. Look at that side though. The laminate is crisp. And it should pull off super easy. And while you're in here, I just want to show you quick. This is a tiny Ned head. It's hard to even hold this thing. It's so small. But I just wanted to, and it's obviously been used a bunch. So let me just show you this. I wanted to rig this up. Show how awesome this bait is on a tiny Ned head. So you go through there, scoop it, and come around the back. Turn that around. And that is, I mean, look at that presentation. Super micro, like a crappie Ned bait. I mean, look at that. So small and awesome. And it looks just like a giant Ned bait. Let me actually grab the big one here. I'll set them side by side. So you can see that is the 2.5 inch Ned Craw. That's the 1.5. And here's like your standard size Ned hook versus this tiny guy. It's just an awesome, awesome mini package here. And you can also rig that on a regular style ball jig or something like that too. And that is it, the 1.5 inch tiny little Ned Craw. I don't know, I'm just looking at this after shooting this video and it's like, I just want to go fish this bait so bad right now. It's amazing. But anyways, it's available on our site right now at epicbaitmolds.com. And these, we'll put links to these pigments and flakes and so on and so forth in the description below. Until next time, guys, fish on.